Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we'll see installation of my auto engine on Topbox. So I just bought this Topbox recently from Auto Engineer's Independent Day sale. Usually it sells around 16,000, but during this time they sold it for 15,000. The capacity of this Topbox is 42 liters, and as you can see, it has a lot of space, and they have provided with an inner bag with which you can place things inside. They have also given a couple of screws and some backrest and a couple of visible strips for your bike. Let's head over to a nearby mechanic shop where we can get this top box installed. Luckily, I found this pit shop nearby called Motor Rush where the technicians were ready to fit this top box. They quoted around 250 rupees, so I said okay. So I brought this top box to them, and after I showed them an installation video on how to assemble this top box, they started by unscrewing the screws which was provided by Auto Engineer, and they also had to unscrew the top rack which was provided by Himalayan. And after unscrewing all that, they fitted the top rack, and post that they mounted the top box. They just took their time to double check if everything was sturdy and quite in place. And I made a couple of friends out there, and it was time to say goodbye. And I then took my bike out for a water wash and then brought it back home. And that's when this happened.
My name is Siva.
Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Say hi to the audience.
Hello audience.
Let's have a closer look on the Auto Engineer's top box. So we have a lot of space here. It's almost 42 liters in capacity. We can fit a lot of things. And the good thing is that they have provided us with this inner bag, which comes in really handy. But we have to keep in mind that we shouldn't overload this top box any more than 6 kgs, because when you do that, the whole vehicle might feel a little unstable. And the good thing with this top box is that this gives you the additional freedom of keeping the things with you secure. This has enough space to keep some camera equipments and some raincoats and a couple of other things. Like if you want, you can even place your helmet inside or riding boots. So this gives you the freedom. And more than that, it gives the whole vehicle an armored look, and it honestly it looks quite good. Like the entire black metallic look of the Royal Enfield Himalayan along with the saddle stays and top box gives it a whole fuller experience. And by the way, this inner bag gives you the flexibility and mobility to take things with you. You have this kind of a built kind of a locking setup which you typically have in regular old belts. So you just have to shut it close. So they have provided with 2 sets of keys, and we do have a quick dismount option where if you wanted to unlock, you can take away the top box and keep it with you. So this will be really helpful when if you wanted to go on off-road trips that involves a lot of vibration. So this quick dismount option would be really helpful at such times. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, I recommend you to like, share and subscribe to this channel so that you don't get to miss out on any of the future content. You can click on this video to watch the installation of my Motor Torque saddle stay, or you can click on this video to watch my saddle bags which I bought from Rhinox.